Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to give you an honest review of Zelle, how it works, what it's good at, where it might fall short, and whether it's worth using for your everyday money transfers. Zelle is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that lets you send and receive money quickly between bank accounts in the US. Instead of cash, checks, or waiting days for transfers, Zelle moves money almost instantly between participating banks. The biggest advantage of Zelle is speed. Money typically lands in the other person's account within minutes as long as both people are enrolled. One of the best features of Zelle is convenience. If you bank with one of the many institutions that support Zelle, like Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Capital One, and others, you can use it right inside your bank's app without downloading another app. That means you don't have to juggle multiple apps just to send money to friends, family, or people you know. For those who don't have a bank app that supports Zelle, you can use the standalone Zelle app by linking a US debit card. Another strong point is that Zelle is free to use. There are no fees to send or receive money, which makes it very competitive compared to other services that charge fees for instant transfers or card-based payments. In terms of security, Zelle uses your bank's systems and authentication, which helps keep your money safe. Enrolling requires verification through your bank or the Zelle app, and most banks protect Zelle transactions with the same safeguards as your other online banking activities. That said, Zelle isn't perfect. One limitation is that you can't use a credit card with Zelle. Only a US debit card or bank account is supported. Another caution is that once money is sent to someone who's already enrolled, the transfer is instant and usually cannot be canceled. This means you have to be very careful that you enter the correct phone number or email when sending money, especially for people you don't know well. Another thing to consider is customer support. Because Zelle moves money so fast and doesn't hold funds in a wallet or account, if something goes wrong, like a mistake in payment, the process to get your money back depends on the other person returning it or your bank's policies and support. Zelle itself doesn't act like a reversible escrow service. Overall, I think Zelle is a great tool for everyday transfers with people you trust, like splitting a dinner bill, paying rent to your roommate, or sending money to family. It's fast, free, and built into many major bank apps. Just be careful with payments you send to people you don't know, since it's hard to reverse once completed. That's it for this review. If this helped you understand how Zelle works and whether it's right for you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a comparison with other payment apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.